Heidi ho, how are we all doing today? Well, this is a British Caribbean Territories 50 cents from 1955. Quite nice, eh? Beautiful coin. It is Lizzie, looking proud as ever. Rule Britannia, Britannia rules the waves. Right, there we go. Enough of that. So, we want to punch a hole in it. And I'm going to use my 1/2 inch punch. This is quite a big coin, quite a thick coin. And this is self-centering. You just screw it down and it centers the coin over the punch hole, and you can't go far wrong. Unless I'm in control, then things can go big time wrong. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. This is the 20-ton press, my hydraulic press that I love so much. I tell you what, I could probably get me money back just on scrap. The only thing weighs a ton. Right. Let's have a butcher's, see what we got. Okie dokie. We want to clean out that inside edge. Make sure there's no cracks forming. Micro scratches or otherwise, if you don't do this and there's a slight crack there or a split, you're going to split your ring when you start stretching it. Hey, come on, I can't help it. You know me by now. I will never change. Beautiful. See, lovely. Bit like me, lovely. Right. Showed a bit of love and affection. I like that shift colour like this. It's like a chameleon. A bit like the Predator. Great movie, eh? Great film. I love sci-fi. Right, so I did watch the other night. It's one of my favourite movies. Is what's it called again? No Country for an Old Man. Really, really good. Right, what we're going to do here? It's going to have to be. Oh yeah, it's going to have to be this, isn't it? Sunny side up on the ring. That's going to go face down. Yes, and I'm going to use my doming block that everybody says I should use. Let's go over to Big Red. I suppose I could have gone into a smaller one as well, maybe. Yeah, let's try this one as well. I think I'll now go to my 17 degree folding die, and we'll finish folding it. Right. Where's it going? Am I doing it right? There we go. No wobbles. That's Sandy's sister here. Just want to make sure there's no cracks for me still. Bit thin there. Let's give it a bit more. Bit for me. Bit for you. Bit for the gorgeous blonde upstairs. Right. That's looking a bit better. Right, let's show a bit more love again. Falling in love again. What am I to do? Yeah, it's very thick, this coin. I think that's hot enough, don't you? And this thing holds the heat, but my bloody finger is still killing me. Ooh, ooh, right, let's go over to Spike. See what he's going to do for us today. Right. This is a ring stretcher. And yeah, you guessed it. It stretches your ring. If you want to hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. I really would appreciate it. It helps me out no end, and it's free. It costs you nothing. I think we need a bit more kitchen roll, don't you? That's getting rather sad. Right. Give it a bit of a turn each time. Make sure it's stretching equally all the way around. So a quick butchers, see what it's doing. Still got a bit of a bow in it. But it doesn't look like it's going to split, which is good. Nobody wants a split ring, do they? Oh dear. God help me, Lord help me. There you go. I might give it another couple of pumps. I can adjust the sizes on all my rings. You want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a link in the description below. You hit that, I'll take you straight there. Right, yeah, you guessed it. A bit more love with Bernie. No, that should do. That quenching seems to go on for ages. Right. There's not much, but there's a little bit. There's a little bit of a lip inside there. We want to cut that out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That lip's gone. So now we want to straighten up the walls, and for that we go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. I mean, you can even use these, you know, 70-degree folding cones to reduce them as well. There's a little bit there we can use. I might have to go over to Big Bertha for this, because this is a really thick coin. Oh no, it went. In fact, it did go a little bit too far. I'm going to go back a little bit. Back a bit more. The thing with this is it's not rocket science, you know. You just, there you go, straight walls. Let's look with the eye, because sometimes this camera's really sad. Yeah, that's good. Right, let's whack in Kate. So how's it looking? Now this is what I call the Edwin look. It's just like a brush setting look. I like this look. It's my favourite look. I will polish it for you, and then you can decide if you like it polished or the Edwin look. If you want it the Edwin look, I just run over it again with Kate Bush. Simple. I like to chuck some jollop on it and see what happens. This is just a felt pad. Felton John. He's looking a bit sad now. I'm going to have to change him very, very soon. It's a bit warm again. Right, how's she looking today? Have we got a nice finish? Hey, bit cleaner part. Right, let's get the slightly cleaner cloth. Give it a little bit more of the old white band. If you've got any comments or something you want to know, or something you'd like me to do or make, or, you know, anything, you can just drop me a comment and I will answer it. I do answer all my comments. Look at that. Wow. Stunning, eh? So if you're from the Caribbean and you'd like something a bit different, something for you, or they make great gifts, I can adjust the size for you. So what size have we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because it's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 12.25, just over 12.25. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. And all my rings seem to fit me perfectly on this finger. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for hitting the like button. And yeah, take it easy. Have a good one. So bye bye.